All right, this is a 2007 Chevy Express 4.3 liter engine. Okay, I'll show you real quick how to replace the water pump. I have it right here. All right, so let's get it. Come with me. Boom. Anything you want to say about this car, put in the comment box. Let's get it. 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. This clamp right here. Thing here. Then here. The same on this side. Remove this hose, the clamp for the upper hose. Give it a twist here. Okay. I'm gonna get a splash, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna remove this. There's an 8 millimeter clamp. You see it down there? That one? This one right here. That clamp. 8 millimeter. To get to that clamp, you can do it manually, but I'm using the swivel with the shallow 8 millimeter 3/8. All right. This is a transmission dipstick, oil dipstick. That's how it looks like down here. Oh, look at what I found. A wrench. Ratcheting wrench. So good. Can't even turn it. 13 millimeter ratcheting wrench made by Craftsman. You might need this. Alright. What you're about to see is dun, 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 dun. Alright, we got it all over here. So we're gonna come here to the bottom. Okay. That's our guy right there. We don't see it go. That guy right there. You see the brownish thing? That's what we gotta push counterclockwise. Okay, from the bottom. Okay. For that, I got the 36 millimeter fan nut wrench. Shout outs to Gear Wrench. That's the part number 313676. ED. Alright guys, that's how it looks like. 4 bolts. Clean that when you pull it out. Alright, so 4 bolts, you know. Alright, that's gonna be 15 millimeter. Then the hose just connected. Put some seal in the gasket on both sides, over there, and you gotta connect these hoses, one over here, another one over here. Okay. Oh, if the fan doesn't wanna come off, hit the bolts through the fan with extension and a swivel. Those are 14 millimeter. Okay, the bolts are 14 millimeter. Start putting everything back. All right. So when you mount the fan, spin it clockwise. Okay, and then or you pull the belt to have some or put your pry bar here by the pulley so it doesn't spin when you tie it with the 36. Alright, now put everything back. This is how this one looks like. This is the old one. That's a gasket, and it comes with the gasket. Okay, one gasket here, one gasket here, and put some sealing. Okay, put some sealing in the bolts too. All right, then put it back. Mount the new one. Got 2 hoses here, one here, one here. The other hose that'll go to the radiator. Pretty much, like I said before, you want to lose the fan, it's counterclockwise. Okay, you want to tighten it, want to mount the fan clockwise. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. You have any questions, just let me know. Alright, put it in the comment box. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. I like your boy Axtuo Burun. My bad. This is the that's the brand LC Delco water pump, new water pump. All right, that's the part number. Yeah, that's the part number 889262225 by LC Delco new water pump. I like your boy. Hey, support the channel. Click the heart, super thanks button. Go through it, do your thing, show your love. Alright, I like your boy.